Hello friends, today again we have come with a new video which is dealing with linear equations application. So in this video we will going to deal with the application sum based on numbers and fraction, which also you will see that they are in the word form. Let us begin with the word problem. Before that, just we will remind that linear equation with the two variable we have learned how to solve in a different way. The method which we have learned in the 10th standard, let's revise that. First one was graphical method, second one was Cramer's rule, and third one we have converted the given equation in a linear equation and then solve it. Now we have to learn application, and we are doing word problem based on this. Let us see now first sum. The two numbers differ by 3. The sum of twice the smaller number and thrice the greater number is 19. Find the numbers. So there are 3 sentences. Let us take the first one. The two numbers differ by 3. You can choose any two number which have difference of 3. Now see the second condition. What they are saying? The sum of twice the smaller number and thrice the greater number means the two numbers are not any number, out of which one is greater and one is smaller. So therefore let the greater number be x and smaller number be y. So what it will become our first equation? Greater number minus smaller number will be 3. So we got the first equation. Now let us see the second condition. Sum of twice. See here, the same twice of a smaller number will be what? 2y. Why? Because the smaller number is y, so twice will become 2 times. Thrice the greater number is 3x, means 3 multiplied by 3. Okay, now let us see here. The full big sentence is converted in a small sentence. The sum of twice of smaller number 2y and remains same, thrice of a greater number is 3x is 19. The same thing in mathematical form. 3x plus 2y equals to 19. X I wrote first and the y I wrote second. Then I make the second equation. So I got equation 1 and equation 2. Equation 1 is x minus y equals to 3. Equation 2 is 3x plus 2y equals to 19. The two equations we got. Now you have a choice to solve these two equations by any method which you have learned. By substitution method, by equalizing the coefficient method, by Cramer's rule. If you want to go more further, you can do it even though by graphical method. No issue. All these methods will give you same answer. So the choice is yours. When I solved it, I got x as 5 and y as 2. Okay, the choice is yours by which method you have to solve, but the answer will get it x equals to 5 and y equals to 2. How will you write down document form? The greater number is 5 and the smaller number is 2. I hope it is clear. The steps are clear. Let's go for the next sum. Now again, denominator of a fraction. As soon as fractions comes in our mind, we have two things, numerator and denominator. So let us see now what is the first sentence they are saying. The denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice its numerator. So numerator and denominator, they have given you relation. What we are assuming? Let the numerator be x and denominator be y. What we will get? denominator is y na, y of a fraction is 4 more means 4 added किसको, twice its numerator, numerator is x, so 2x 2 into x plus 4. Mathematical form, y equals to 2x plus 4. So this will give you answer minus 2x plus 4 equal y equals to 4. If you want, you can write down 2x minus y equals to minus 4 also. There is no issue, that also is the correct answer. Clear? Let us go for the second condition. They have given denominator becomes 12 times the numerator if both numerator and denominator are reduced by 6. So the second condition is little longer, so we have to go on the next slide. If both x and y are reduced by 6, same sentence but in a reduced form, then x minus 6 will be your numerator and y minus 6 will be your denominator. Denominator becomes 12 times, now we got reduced by 6, so we can have it y minus 6 equals to 12 times means 12 multiplied by x minus 6. Numerator is x minus 6, so I have to multiply by 12. When I simplified, I got 12x minus y equals to 66, second equation. So I have got two equation now. First one was minus 2x plus y equals to 4 and second one is 12x minus y equals to 66. Again same thing, you can solve by any method. After solving it, I got the value x equals to 7 and y equals to 18. That means numerator I got 7 and denominator I got 18. So what will be fraction? Fraction will become 7 upon 18. Clear? I want you all to go through it once again so that it will give you more clear picture. Let us go for the next sum.